If your system was attacked, would you know? Wasa can help you with real-time monitoring, full log detailed alerts, and all the capabilities in one platform. Through its user interface, you are able to access all the information produced by the Wasa Manager regarding the endpoints being monitored by the Wasa agents. By logging onto your user interface, you will be able to quickly visualize all the events within your environment. There, you will find a dashboard that is specific to integrity monitoring. By switching to the Events tab, you will have access to all the information related to each registered event. As an example, this event where permissions have changed for a file. We are able to see the full log that generated the event, the description of the event as identified by the Wasa analysis engine, specific fields extracted by the decoders that allow us to categorize the event by the type of action and the affected file path and its timestamp. With Who data enabled, the user and process that caused the event are logged. Notice both the effective user and the login user are recorded. Many other fields are recorded, including the hash of the file, the permission and ownership information, and size of the file, both before and after the event occurred. The event is also enriched with information on how it relates to the various chapters of compliance standards and the MITRE ATT&CK framework. Wasa can give you full visibility of your environment and help you to be prepared against any threat in real time.